Infiltration has become the biggest talking point in Jharkhand Assembly election. I am joined by Congress leader B.K. Hariprasad. Mr. Hariprasad, today one of your top leaders, Ghulam Ahmad Mir, has made a statement saying that if the Congress government along with the JMM comes to power, then they will provide 450 rupees cylinder to all the Hindus, Muslims and the Ghuspatiyas as well. So in a way he is recognizing the Ghuspatiyas in Jharkhand, that Ghuspatiyas does exist in Jharkhand.
Well, if you go through the World Bank report, out of 127 countries, in terms of hunger, India stands at 103. It is even Pakistan is little lower than us. Ceylon is lower than us. Bangladesh is lower than us. When a prime minister or the election comes up, people should talk of hunger, education, health and employment. Instead of that, Mr. Narendra Modi, who was talking about Pradhan Sevak, is now become a Pradhan Malik, and he comes and says roti, beti or mati. He is in the central government. If there is a Guzbite, he should announce the list, and we will support them to send all the Guzbites out of the country. We are not like him making statement on China that koi aaya nahi, koi gaya nahi hai. So then what is the agreement he made with the Chinese? So we don't have
to say that infiltrators do not exist in Jharkhand or in any part of the country.
As of now, in Jharkhand government there is no list of infiltrators. If there is a list of infiltrators, it is the duty of the central government to announce it. If they say that there are infiltrators, we will take the responsibility to send them out. And he is casting aspersions on the Jharkhandis, he is casting aspersions on the entire Jharkhand that the Jharkhandis are Guzbites.
Why is Mr. Mir recognizing Guzbites? He says that he will provide 450 rupees cylinder to the Guzbites.
He will provide these political infiltrators, BJP's political infiltrators.
Do you feel that Mr. Mir has made a mistake by making this?
Not at all. Mir has not made any mistake. Mir has condemned the word infiltration.
Is it a self-goal by the Congress?
Not at all. It is the Bharatiya Janata Party calling the entire Jharkhandis as infiltrators. And he has kicked up a right thing, and he has not called anybody infiltrators.
You are saying it's a central subject, right? Yes. But the BJP, I spoke to Anurag Thakur today in the morning. He says that the law and order is a prerogative of the state government.
Law and order is the prerogative of the state government, agreed. But when it comes to the international border, it is the responsibility of the central government. They should give the list to the state government. We will take action on them. Have they given the list to the state government? Have they got the list of the infiltrators? They are just during the elections, they want to play all these nasty things to defame Jharkhand.
Do you feel that infiltrators do exist in any part of the country? Assam, Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand?
As far as I am concerned, I am from Karnataka. Wherever I have looked after so many states, I have not found anybody saying that there are infiltrators. If there are infiltrators, it is the duty of the central government to announce the names of the infiltrators. Assam has claimed that there are 30 lakhs infiltrators. Finally, what happened to that list? That man, one of the Gunda, chief minister, comes and makes all statement here. Chief minister of Assam.
Gunda?
Yeah, he's a Gunda.
Why?
He was in a Congress party earlier. He was thrown out because of his activities.
Gunda in the Congress party?
Yes, he was.
Hemanta Biswa Sarma was a Gunda in the
Congress party? Yes, he was a Gunda in the Congress party. That's how he was.
Mr. Hariprasad, you are calling your former colleague and present Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma a Gunda.
Yes, Gunda. He is a Gunda. He went through the washing machine of the Bharatiya Janata Party and he has got a Nobel painting.
What all Gundaism he did in the Congress party?
Find out where was he, what was his background.
What was his background?
What was his background? You find out from him.
What was his background?
That's how I said Gunda. You find out from him.
Let me know. I want to know. I don't know about him. I don't know about his political...
I don't want to elaborate thing. One word is enough. He will understand. He has understood. That's how he has gone out of the party. All Gundas, all rapists, they have got a place in Bharatiya Janata Party.
Thank you, sir. Hariprasad saying that infiltrators do not exist in the country, as well as he is calling Hemanta Biswa Sarma a Gunda. In Ranchi with video journalist Kundan, Prakash Singh for Republic TV.